everyone, and welcome to another Xcode tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn the basics of Swift, or the new language that Apple just released let's say 6 months ago. So let's open up Xcode, and you'll need Xcode 6 for Swift, because here I have 6.1.1. You might have another, if you have another version like Xcode 5, be sure to go to the App Store and update it right now. So let's create a new Xcode project. Well, actually, we're going to get started with the playground. And this is new in Xcode 6, and they just added it, and it's designed specifically for Swift. So I'll just call it My Playground, and the platform's just going to be iOS. The reason they have a platform is because it links it up to the typical frameworks that you need. So I'm going to click Next, and I'm going to save it in the desktop. But you can save it wherever you want. It does not really matter. So I'll just save it in the desktop. And here, when you get started with the playground, this is what you'll see. And so there's an import statement. There's a variable. So a playground, what it does is, like, if you were to type in a variable, like, let's say, hello, world, text, equals, and we'll say, hello, world. If you see while you're typing, it shows you the result of what the variable is. And that's what they're doing right here. So that's what's unique about a playground. A playground is designed so you can write just a few lines of code if you feel like it. And that's why Apple made it. You can also import other frameworks, like you say import, and let's say MapKit. And okay, you don't have to import it. So it's the Swift language. It doesn't have a regular sidebar like if you were to open an Xcode project. In fact, I'll just try opening one. So if you want to create a new Xcode project, you have to go to File, New Project, like that, or you can press Shift-Command-N, just making it random. I'll just call it Q, and I'll save it in iPhone Dev Project. So a playground is very different from a project. So this is what a project looks like, right? But let's look at a playground. It looks much different. It's just, if you want, it's sort of like a command line tool, and that's basically what it is. So Swift is actually different from Objective-C. So for the import statement, instead of saying hashtag import, you say import. That's all you say, and you say the name. And unlike Objective-C, you don't have to put in any semicolons. You can put in one if you wanted to. It doesn't cause any error. Like if you did here, you put here, you see no errors popping out. And also, Objective-C, if you pasted any C code and you posted it or pasted it into an Objective-C command line tool, there would be no errors. But if you pasted it into this playground, it would turn out a ton of errors. So why is Swift different? Well, in a way, Swift is sort of based off of the Objective-C. Like, you see, it's sort of the same, but some of it's not exactly the same. So you can also declare, like, class, and you say name. You just call this playground. And so if you were to create a Swift project, instead of having two files, like a .h and a .m, you would only have one file, and it would be called, oops, this is Objective-C. It would be called it would be a .swift file. All the frameworks are the same. It's just the file type is different. So you can type any code here, like you could type func start, and so you put space, and this is how you declare a void function. Like do that, and closes it for you. So this is how you declare a void function in Swift. Or you can say, or you could declare another function, like, and in this function you want to call start. So we're going to say func call start. And you put a space, open parentheses, and we put open curly braces, and we press enter. And it should put in your closing one. And here, instead of putting brackets, in Swift you don't do that. But in Swift you would mostly put anything, instead of using brackets, all the spaces are dots, and you do not use brackets. Like if you want to call start, that here we're going to say, instead of putting in brackets, self start. Instead of doing that, you don't put it in brackets. Well, you can put it in brackets like this, but it will be much simpler to do this. You put self dot start. That's all you need to do. And this calls the start function. So, and you could put like hello world text dot text. Oh, wait, no. You could say var. Var. Let's say number equals 19. And we could do some calculations in here. Let's say we did println. Well, you could just say a string. So that would be, you would put a backslash, parentheses, put a forward slash, parentheses, and here we're going to put the number. So, and here we're going to put print ln, and actually we can do this. There's a simple way in Playgrounds if you want to see the value of some number. Like if you declared a var, let's say string equals high here, and you go to the next line, you type in string, and it gives you high. So that's the simplest way. Okay. So Swift is new. People at Apple developed it, and I guess it's for people who wanted a new language or didn't like Objective-C. So that's why they made it. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you see you in my other videos. Bye-bye.